Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a TIN number, a tax identification number. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I've created a step-by-step guide on how to do this. So the first step here is to determine the type of TIN number you need. So social security number for US citizens and certain residents, this is typically the TIN. Employer identification number for business, estates, trusts or non-profit organizations. Individual tax identification number, ITIN, for individuals who are not eligible for SSN but need a TIN for tax purposes. And adoption taxpayer identification for individuals who are in the process of adopting a child but do not yet have a SSN for the child. Then from there, apply for the appropriate TIN. So for SSN, if you are a US citizen or eligible resident, you can apply for a SSN by completing the form SS5, application for a social security card, available from the Social Security Administration. EIN, apply online via the IRS EIN online application page, or complete form SS4, application for employer identification number, and submit it by fax or mail. Complete the W7 form, application for IRS individual taxpayer identification number. Submit this form along with the required documentation to the IRS, either by mail or through an IRS Taxpayer Assistance Center. ATIN, apply using form W7A, application for taxpayer identification number for pending US adoptions. Submit it to the IRS with the required documentation. From there, submit your application. So follow the instructions specific to the TIN type you're applying for and submit the application as directed. Then from there, you will receive your TIN number. So SSN, you'll receive your SSN card by mail from the SSA. EIN, you'll receive your EIN immediately if you apply online or by mail fax within a few weeks. ITIN, you will receive your ITIN by mail from the IRS. ATIN, you will receive your ATIN by mail from the IRS. Always ensure to keep your TIN secure as it is used for tax and identification purposes.